What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to enable the Find My Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now this feature basically allows you to track your phone in case you have lost it or you have misplaced it. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down towards security and privacy, and then find the lost device protection, and then select Find My Phone. Now from here, ensure that you have Samsung account linked to your device because that is going to be the Samsung account that will be used to locate your mobile. And then from here, you should see this option, allow this phone to found, and ensure that this option has been enabled. Also, you can choose to enable send the lost location if you would like. Additionally, you can also choose to enable offline finding, which allow you to locate your phone even if it's offline and help others to find your device. You can simply enable that, and then you should see a brief description of what it's all about. You can simply select turn on, and that should enable the offline finding. So that's basically how you can enable the Find My Mobile phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.